subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new budget smartphone under A series in India called Redmi A1 with premium looking design. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi A1 supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes an AI featured 8-megapixel main camera along with a secondary lens. Under the hood, the Redmi A1 comes powered by MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on MIUI 12 skin on top. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 76.75 by 9.09mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details, the Redmi A1 has been priced in India at 6,499 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 9th in light green, light blue, and classic black color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi A1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.